Hi, thanks for clicking the video and welcome to Tech Solutions. In today's video, we will perform router holistic configuration in Palo Alto. So this lab, we will use this topology, very simple topology. Interface Ethernet 1/1. We will create two sub interfaces under this interface, one for VLAN 10 and other for VLAN 20. And the Ethernet 1/1 is connected to switch on gigabit 0/1, and we will convert this into a trunk link. And our host VPC10 is in VLAN 10 and VPC20 is in VLAN 20. But currently these are in VLAN 1, so we will convert these to access port and assign these ports to respective VLAN. Okay, this so like this. So let's start the configuration. Open our Palo Alto firewall first. So first we need to know what is the IP to access this firewall. So for that I will go type in the command show interface management and press enter, and this is the management IP. So let's access our firewall here. Click on advanced, click continue. Let's erase my screen. Okay, now I have already reset my password, so I'll use the same. Okay, this is the dashboard. Later, for creating a sub interface, we will go on networks under interfaces. The first we will convert our interface Ethernet 1/1. Currently it is untagged, and when we click on property, the interface type is tab, so we have to convert it to the layer 3 first and save it. Now select the same interface. Okay, click anywhere, just do not click on here, click here anywhere, and click on add sub interface. Here you type in the interface name. Okay, you can assign any interface name, it is up to you. I'm just giving 10, the same as my VLAN. So this is important. The tag is actually create the VLAN interface. So here we'll choose the default router, and under security zone, currently I do not have one, so click on create new. So this is my inside, so I will just write on the inside zone and save it. Now the zone is created and it is selected. Now go under IPv4, assign an IP address that belongs to VLAN 10, right? And for the management purpose, we will create a new management profile that allow only ping access. I will name it just ping, save it, and click OK. Now let's create one more interface. Add sub interface. This is VLAN 20, so I will tag VLAN 20. The router is default. This is my inside zone IPv4 address, and the IP address is 10.1.20.1/24. And in advanced, we will choose our management profile ping and click OK. Now let's create a DHCP server for these two interfaces. So same under network and DHCP, click on add, and from drop down list choose the interface. I'm creating it for the VLAN 10 first, so let's create it. I will choose the IP range that I want to assign. So I will assign from 100 to 110. And click on options, choose the default gateway. And the DNS that we will assign to our DHCP client. Click on OK. Okay, something is invalid. Mask is invalid. Okay, so there is an extra character. I have deleted that. Now create a DHCP zone for DHCP server for VLAN 20. Select the interface. Select the pool range, and this 10.1.20.100 to 10.1.20.110. There's a mistake, let me correct it. Now you can also choose the timeout here. Click on options, 10.1.20.1 and 255, 255, 255.0, and we assign the primary DNS server. Click OK. Now the configuration is on the firewall side is complete. Now we will perform configuration on our switch side. So I'm saving the changes now. Okay, let's click on task. It is in progress. So let's perform a switch configuration. The first thing that we will do is uh, create our trunk interface. We'll go into the global configuration. Host name I will just write the switch 1 and interface gigabit 0 oblique 1 switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1q switch port mode trunk, right, and add. Okay, show interfaces trunk. So here it is converted to the trunk mode. Okay, so let's create VLANs now. We go terminal VLAN 10. I'll write just name office A, and VLAN 20, and I'll write name office B. That's it. Exit, and we'll go into interface gigabit 1/1. Okay, and this is the interface we are configuring now. Then after we will configure this interface. So switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10, and let's configure the other interface gigabit 1/2 switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Exit. Okay, show VLAN brief. Okay, we have, let's verify our interface 1/0 is in the VLAN 10. Okay, this is the wrong configuration. I have to redo it. So interface 1/2, this is right. Okay, so I have to put this one into the VLAN 10. Let me do it again. Configure terminal, and interface gigabit 1/1 switch port mode trunk sorry, a switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 10 and end the configuration. Okay, right. Let's save the configuration. So show VLAN brief. Okay, now I can see the interface 1/1 is in the VLAN 10 and the interface 1/2 is in the VLAN 20. Now let's turn on our VPCs. So let's see if they can get an IP address from our Palo Alto and can communicate with each other via our Palo Alto. So let's do it. Okay, let's first get an IP from the DHCP. For that we will use a command IP add IP DHCP. It will perform a door operation. Okay, seems like we have an IP address 10.1.10.100 which is in the VLAN 10 and it has received a gateway as well. So let's go on our VPC 20 and see if it can receive an IP address from our Palo Alto. And yes, the operation is success. Let's see what IP it gets. Okay, so it receives the first available IP address and we can same verify from here. Okay, so this is our DHCP and we can click on view allocations. You see the IP address that it has allocated to our VPCs. So let's see if we can ping the gateway because we have assigned the management profile which allows the ping access. So let's ping 10.1.10.1. Okay, the success. Let's see if we can ping 10.1.20 and it is success. And let's see if we can ping 10.1.20.100 and yes, we can ping. Okay, so this was the simple router configuration, and the reason why it is allowing the communication and the ping. The first one is that we have uh, allowed the ping on our these VLAN interfaces. Okay. The second thing is these interfaces are in the same zone. Okay, and when the interfaces are in same zone and intra-zone policy is applied, which by default allow all the traffic. So that's why we were able to communicate from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20 devices and vice versa. So this was the router honesty configuration. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.